We're going to expand our Cloudian HyperStore cluster. This is an admin task and can be performed by any competent HyperStore admin. The host must meet the minimum requirements for hardware, and you should ensure all the listening ports are open. Additionally, there are some prerequisites that need to be configured on the host. These are performed through the system setup script as root, or by running hspkg setup using the HyperStore shell. Either method then requires us to select the option Prep New Node to add to cluster. For simplification, in this example, these actions have already been performed. We start by selecting the cluster menu in the Cloudian Management Console. Care should be taken if we have multiple regions to ensure we add the new node as planned. In the display for the data center and rack in which we want to add a node or nodes, we select the light green hexagon with a plus sign on it. We must complete the node information fields for the new node. If we're adding multiple additional nodes, we should select Add More Nodes and repeat this process. Click Execute. The system will first run a pre-check to confirm that each of your specified new nodes can be reached through the network. The system then performs a simulation. This shows how your token ranges and data will be distributed across your cluster, should you proceed with adding the new nodes. The simulation results are displayed in an overlay above the Add Node dialog. This includes summary assessments of whether the data associated with each of your existing storage policies will be well balanced across the cluster. Scroll through the simulation results and carefully review the summary assessments. Typically, the assessment will indicate a good data distribution balance. You can then proceed with adding the new nodes by clicking Install. If you are at all in doubt about your results, contact your Cloudian SE or customer support for guidance. When we click Install, the HyperStore system will add the node or nodes to the cluster one at a time. Once we've started the process, we can track its progress through the Operational Status tab. As part of this process, HyperStore streams the new node systems and object metadata to Cassandra database. This process will take a variable amount of time based on the amount of data in the system and the number of nodes being added. To aid with this demonstration, we'll now fast forward to completion. The process is finished when a Cassandra repair has been successfully completed on the relevant node or nodes. We can further confirm this from the Cluster tab, where all new nodes will change from showing as a grey icon with a gear in the middle to one that is orange. If we need more details on this or any other HyperStore process, open the help files from the relevant screen in the CMC to be directed to the correct help section.